Let's have some fun! Let's have some fun! Nissan! Porsche!
What?
Nissan truck!
What is
Mazda! Ford! Honda! Ambulance! Porsche! I got it. Wait. Honda!
Okay.
Police cars! I got their police car.
Awesome. Wow.
White and blue and red. Blue. Black and white. White and red and blue. Yellow. And then Porsche. We forgot more Porsche.
Oh, we forgot the Porsche?
Yeah.
Yeah, there it is. Very nice Porsche.
Porsche blue.
What is that, Albert?
Truck. Let me put it here first. Oh no! This is Porsche, this is ambulance, this is truck, this is Honda, this is Porsche, this is Mazda, this is truck, this is police Ford.
Wow, good job.
Yeah! Ambulance truck. Oh no! It's crashed!
Oh no, what happened?
It's an accident for cars.
Oh no, we must call the ambulance. We must call for help. Is that a police car?
Yeah.
And is that the ambulance?
Hmm?
Is that the ambulance?
Yeah.
Okay.
Look, it's got Beetle on the way. The Honda got Beetle on the way. Honda's sad.
Oh no.
He missed great cars. He
Oh
missed
no.
blue Mazda.
It's a rescue car?
all the rescue cars from the world. They get accident. The Porsche got.
He's towing the car?
No, she put it in the garage.
You're gonna put it in the garage? Is it broken?
Yeah, it's broken. He got an accident.
Oh no.
That's the accident car.
Oh no.
Flowing.
It needs to be repaired.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Ah.
What are you doing, Albert?
It's in the car stick.
Okay. What car is this?
Mazda.
What is that, Albert?
It's a car. It's a more. It's a Matchbox logo.
Matchbox logo?
Yeah.
What is the numbers right there?
There's 7 and 0.
That's right.
And it's a Matchbox logo.
That's right.
And right here. And right here.
Let me see. Where?
Right here.
Yeah, that's right.
It's a Matchbox logo. Goodbye. Goodbye.
What is that, Albert?
It's a truck.
What color is it, Albert?
It's white, red, blue.
What is the name of the car, Albert?
It's Nissan.
That's right. It's a Nissan.
Hi, sir. Okay, I got any car broken.
You got a car broken right there?
Yeah.
You're towing it?
Yeah. No,
No?
I put it in the garage and fix it.
You're gonna put it in the garage and fix it?
Yeah.
All right.
Okay. There's a roof. There's the roof. The roof like that.
Right.
Oh. Ah. Bye-bye.